Alrighty, so I'm going to show you how to do option one for our week five, which is talking about negative space or space in general. So we're looking at positive space and negative space. And so for the option one, it's basically you're taking half of the drawing, half of your page is a somewhat detailed drawing, and then the other half is showing the positive or negative space. So I'm going to switch cameras here, and so I grabbed just a pair of scissors just because I just wanted to grab something kind of quick. But before I do that, I'm actually going to draw a line down the middle of my page, or close to the middle, probably about right here, just to kind of give me a good base, on splitting the paper in half. And you know what I'm going to do? Just because for time's sake, I'm going to actually trace this out just for now. Now, it depends on what object you're using. So you might be able to trace out your objects, maybe not. You might have to look at it and draw it. It just depends on what object you're using. Okay, there's that. I'm going to do this. Okay, so there's my scissors, but I've got to draw in. There's a little part right in here. Comes kind of down. That comes up right here. Okay. I'll go and draw this part of the handle. Like, so I'm doing this kind of quick so that you can just kind of get an idea. Okay, so there's that. And then I can start, shading in the shadows. It's darker down here in the handle. Erase this line right here. And you'll see why here in a minute. Well, I guess I need to keep the line. Or maybe not. Well, I'll keep it there for a little bit, just for reference. So I'm going to lightly shade in here, and then I'm going to use my little blending stump. Now, you may not have a blending stump at home, and that's okay. And you can take a tissue or something like that to help blend out some of the shadows. So I'm going to grab my blending stump, which I forgot to grab. It's over here. There we go. And then so I'm going to just kind of quickly blend this out. Now, it'd be better if I had a nice drawing pencils, which I do have, but I'm just trying to use what you might just have at home. So there's like a little line right here. It's actually white over there. So there's that. And I would come in and make this a little darker in here. Yeah, I'm just trying to go fast, so that way just kind of give you an idea. Okay, so let's pretend I just made this all really detailed to make it look all pretty and all that. And then on this side, we're actually going to. I might have a big thick marker. Let me see if I do. Or I mean, you can just use a pencil. Pencil's fine too. I know I have some big markers. But I don't see a big black one. Let's see. I'm gonna have a big Sharpie, but this one's kind of dying out. So, I'm just going to use a pencil for right now. Okay, so because we're looking at positive negative space, I'm going to keep this area white, but then the rest of this is all going to be filled in dark. So, I might have an actual black marker over here. Got my kids' markers in here because we do his schoolwork in here. There you go. There's a black. Perfect. Okay. That will work. I thought I had more laying around here somewhere. So I'm just going to outline here first. Around the shape of the scissors. Okay. And then I'm going to fill all of this in here. I'm going to do this real quick too. Okay. So I'm just coloring all this in black. Now, if you have a black marker, great. If not, you can just fill it in with a pencil and just try to get it dark. And you're gonna have to sharpen your pencil a lot, when you do it. So, if you have black paint, that would work great too. Now, you guys know me. I could use an airbrush and just tape this off and then spray the rest of it. So I'm going to stop here just because of time. I mean, I could fill this whole thing up, but this whole thing will be black. So this is in, like a nice kind of like drawing detailed, and then the other side is just looking at the shape of the object, and then looking at the space, and then filling in the area either black, or you could fill in this black and leave the rest of it white. But I think because this side of the paper is a lot more white, it's better to do this in black, okay? All right, so that's kind of just a quick rundown of how to do option 1 for space. I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much.